What's more fun than watching paint dry? Watching water getting heated by the sun. This is an experiment to see how hot just sunlight will heat water. Came out of the tap at about 80 degrees, and it's in a black pot, so it should soak up some heat. The outside temperature is about 85 right now. So what I'm going to do is set my timer for 30 minutes and see if I can create some hot water for shaving or washing hands or any number of uses. 30 minutes have now elapsed, but before we check our hot water plate, which is probably boiling at this point almost, let's check the weather stats. It looks like it's 96 degrees and sunny outside. So let's see how the water's doing. Oh, look at that. About 90 degrees. So in 30 minutes, we've raised the temperature of this water 10 degrees. I know at this point you're probably saying, that's enough for one day. Let's slow down and stop this excitement before it gets out of hand. But oh no, we're not done yet. Our next step is to enlist the help of a little old friend I like to call the greenhouse effect. What I'm going to do now is put this pie dish on top of my pot of water. And I'm thinking that might speed up the heating process a little bit. So, in the name of science, I'll set my timer again for 30 minutes. 30 more minutes have passed, so now we're into this project by a little more than an hour. And let's check our temperature. Looks like a solid 98 or 99 degrees. So 98 degrees, I would call that warmer than tepid, but not quite piping hot. A solid medium though. It's been about 30 more minutes, and I'm really pleased with the results. Things are starting to get interesting. It's 100 degrees outside, as indicated by my digital thermometer, and the water's at 105, so we've actually surpassed the ambient temperature and are moving on to uncharted temperatures. So, just as a last hurrah, I'm going to leave this on for another 30 minutes and see if we can get to 110. It's now high noon and the ambient temperature is 101, and my hot water here is up to 111 degrees. So I think this is a good way to heat a small amount of water for free, as long as you have some time. Thanks for watching.